Welcome back to Creating with Poetry Science. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital product, a product that people will be actually able to use. Okay, Crafter will be used. People who do DTF will be able to use it. A useful one. You see, when you're selling digital product, if your product is not useful, if people can't use it, they can't do anything with it, it can't benefit them when they purchase it, it will not sell. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple digital product in Canva. You see all these designs here? Everything here was designed in Canva. Everything here was created with Canva AI. Okay, so now we're going to design a cute t-shirt, a cute Christmas t-shirt design, suitable for sublimation, suitable for